Right in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the O-ring that is used on some of our old swivel adapter manifold assemblies. This is actually a discontinued part, but we've got lots of them out there, so we continue to make the actual replacement parts for these. You'll see this small O-ring that's around each of these manifold openings. It's also used on some of the parts, like this one here. So the process to get that out, get the old O-ring out, is you'll need a relatively small flathead screwdriver to be able to pry the old one out. And just getting under it, you should be able to loosen that. And then the old one will come out, and the new one should drop right into place. Just press it down with your fingers, and then reattach to wherever it was connected, and it should seat itself well. So that's how you do that. Pretty simple fix. If you have any questions about this, let us know in the comments, and we would be happy to help. Thanks.